In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reusable template in DocuSign. This is perfect when you send the same form to different people over and over, like NDAs, onboarding packets, or standard agreements. I'll walk you through creating the template once, adding the right roles and fields, and then using it in just a few clicks. Start by signing into your DocuSign account and opening the Templates tab at the top. Choose New, then Create Template. Give your template a clear name and, if you like, a short description so you and your team can identify it later. A consistent naming pattern, such as the document type plus year, makes searching simpler down the line. Next, upload your document in the Add Documents area. You can use a PDF or a Word file. It's best to upload a finalized version so you don't have to retag fields later if the content changes. For recipients, add roles instead of people. Roles are placeholders like Signer 1 or HR Manager, and they make your template reusable. Leave the name and email blank here. You'll fill those in when you actually send the document. Roles are the key to scalability, so think about who needs to sign and in what order. Add a default email subject and message for the signer. Keep it clear and professional so recipients recognize the purpose immediately. This default saves time, but you can still tweak it when you send. Click next to open the drag and drop editor. From the left panel, drag in the fields your document requires, such as signature, name, and date. Place them exactly where the signer needs to act. Assign every field to the correct role. For example, attach the signature box to Signer 1 and any managerial approval fields to HR Manager. If a field must be completed, make sure it's marked as required. Take a moment to zoom in and align fields neatly so your recipients have a smooth experience. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your template is now ready. To use it, return to the Templates tab, locate your template and click Use. Enter the specific name and email of the signer or signers for the roles you created. Review the subject and message if needed, then click Send. That's it. Your reusable template is doing the heavy lifting. By the way, you'll find the official DocuSign website link and the mobile app download links right at the top of the description to get you started quickly. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.